When it comes to supporting councils with replacement bollards, we have you covered. We take your existing cast iron bollard. We agree any changes that may need to be made to the design, such as root size changes or changes in line with DDA 1995. We then shot blast the bollard to remove any old paint, and we fill any imperfections before adding a prime top coat and any decals. It's at this point the mould is created and a sample is provided to the client. Making replacement bollards in polyurethane is very cost effective compared to cast iron or aluminium moulds. They're lighter to install and easier to maintain and won't rust, corrode or need replacing. And because we take our master from the cast iron original, your replacements will look perfectly in keeping, including any patina and imperfections. Contact us today to talk about your project.